guys, so this is just going to be a little remake video of my Hunter Discovery. So, ceiling fan in my bedroom. I've had this thing for 3 years now. We installed it in 2021 of January. And we bought this fan at Home Depot. We ordered it online, but then we picked it up in the store. So, so I'm going to give you a close-up of the fan here. Here's a close-up of the fan. And as you can see, it's got that world globe. Here's the other side of the blades. It's obviously very dusty. I've got to clean it. Here's the top of the motor. And as you can see, it is from the 28th week of 2020. And I'll show you the Hunter tag. Bit a better angle here. I don't know if I shot that or not. Here's the canopy. Here's the inside of the globe. Uses 3 LED bulbs. They haven't gone out ever since we installed this fan. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera back down there, and let's get to the demonstration of this fan. So yeah, I'm going to get to the demonstration of the ceiling fan. So shut off with the light. All right, let's go to low. Forgot that I have the switch off. Give it a little, because this is obviously a newer Hunter fan, so newer Hunter fans go slow, but a medium and low, but then they go fast and high. Right, let's bump her up to medium. And as you can see, medium looks exactly the same as low. But in real life, it's going a little bit faster, but you can't tell in the camera. So, let's go to high. Here's where it gets fast. This thing does blow a decent amount of air. Right? Right? Stop the blades. So, yeah, that was just a little video of my Hunter Discovery.